How to know if someone is busy on Instagram call. Hello everyone. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, as of now, there is no direct foolproof method provided by Instagram to know if someone is busy on call. However, there are some indicators and tricks you can use to infer if the person might be on an Instagram call. For that, launch Instagram app, sign into the account. Tap Messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Search the particular user and try making a call. You can tap the video call or audio call at top right corner of the screen. So if someone is busy on Instagram call, the first indicator is busy status or unable to reach. When you try calling someone on Instagram, if they are already on a call, Instagram may show an alert like user is currently unavailable. User is currently unavailable or user is busy when you try to connect. This is a strong indicator that they might be on another call or have disabled the option to receive calls. The second step is no ringing or instant disconnection. If your call to someone on Instagram does not ring or disconnects immediately, it may be a sign they are already on another Instagram call. The third indicator is if the person is active on Instagram, then but they aren't answering the call. It's possible they are engaged in another conversation, either a call or messaging, or simply choosing not to answer. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't currently offer a specific on a call status like some other messaging platforms, example WhatsApp. So the above methods rely on indirect clues. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.